What can I do for you?
I have knee pain on the right.
Right knee.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you please show us where is your knee pain?
All right.
All around. So, but it's in the front, right? You don't have pain on the side.
No,
or-
no.
Okay.
It's
So,
here.
can you show me with the whole thing here? No. Can you show me with one finger? Ah. So it's this area here. In here. Okay. How much do you feel the pain when you don't move? Nothing. Okay. And then you feel when you are kneeling?
Mhm.
Okay. Can you please show us how much you can do before the pain starts? When the pain starts, you just stop.
Now it's gone.
Okay. Oh, okay. Now I can. Okay.
Yeah,
It's in the joint. Looks like. Okay. Thank you.
Lena hatte Knieschmerzen im rechten Knie, die sie nicht spürt, wenn sie sitzt, sondern die sozusagen ausgelöst werden, wenn sie sich hinkniet und die sitzen im Gelenk.
Okay. So just relax. Is it tender where I push?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one.
No, the other is more.
This one is more.
I can't tell. No.
No, nothing.
No.
This
Yes.
one. Yeah. Okay. What's the first one? Okay. Then I needle in large intestine 11.
Sie hat das kapiert und
Receive, receive. Smile, be happy. You're the movie star now.
I am.
Okay. I want to try just another one. Not really. Okay, let's see how it goes. Can you please just do this with your knee?
Sie soll jetzt
Gentle?
einfach das Bein vielleicht
Yes.
vorschwingen.
Okay. Now, gentle, you try to do this again and you stop when you feel the pain.
Und sie soll jetzt leicht versuchen, sich zu knien und wenn sie den Schmerz spürt, soll sie aufhören.
Now, okay, it's here. It seems that it's less intense than it was before. Okay?
Ja, also die Schmerzintensität ist schon weniger als vorher.
Aua. Okay. So I'm in large intestine, meridian, a little bit distal.
Und sie ist jetzt auf dem Theta-Meridian etwas distal vom
Not so
Theta-L.
much. This one. Okay. Okay. Now can you please do this?
Sie soll das Bein wieder schwingen.
Yeah, very good. And now you can try again.
Und dann soll sie nochmal sich knien.
Yeah, you're doing much better. Any pain left?
Yes, but just.
Just shadow very little. Okay, very good. Then we leave it because it's going to keep on working. Give me 5. Thank you.